In this video, we are going to work on our mouse movement. And also over the camera. For that, we need to come here, void cam look. So camera look. And then we need to write this function to update. If we don't, then it will not work. So camera look. Now, like the movement, we want to also get the input of the mouse position. So for doing that, so here float y this time, input dot get axis. Inside of that, our mouse x. Multiply by our look sensitivity. So now under that, we use the rot x. As you see here, we define it. The rot x is for the x rotation of the camera. So now we give it the plus equal. Input.get axis. And this time mouse y. Multiply by look sensitivity. So now we need to limit our rot x. So here we say rot x is equal matf dot clamp and inside of the parentheses rot x and min look x and max look x. So as I highlight this clamp here, you will see we have a float value, float min, and float max. So the float value is the floating point value to stick inside the range defined by the min and max values. And the min is here at the min, the float min, the minimum floating point value to compare against. And the maximum is also the max floating point value to compare against. The matf.clamp. So this is also the explanation of the matf.clamp. Clamps the given value between the given minimum float and maximum float values. Return the given value if it's within the min and max range. So I hope it's clear for that, for this matf.clamp. This is all you need to know about this code. So now we need to get the position of our camera. So here cam, the transform, dot local rotation is equal to quaternion dot Euler rot x 0 and 0. So now quaternion, so Euler is actually a written notation that rotates z degrees around the z-axis, x degrees around the x-axis, and y degrees around the y-axis. So, and we make the y here 0 because we don't want to apply it to the camera. We want it to apply it to our player. That's right. So now we need to make right here transform dot Euler angles classical vector 3 dot up. Multiplied by y. And what is actually the transform that Euler angle? That means to represent the rotation in the world space. Basically, we adding the rotation along the y-axis. So now let's save it and check it if everything works fine. Going back to the game. So here we click on our player. We need to give the loop sensitivity. We give it as 5 and max look at 60 degrees and minimum look at minus 60 degrees. Minus 60 degrees. So now let's play it. So up and down. As you see, the up and down is inverted, and left and right work without any problem. And for fixing in this inverted mouse, so we need to going back to our script, and here at root x, we need to make it minus root x to fix that inverting looking. So now save it, let's check it. But last time when I play up, down, left, and right, everything's work fine now. So in the next video, we are working on our jumping and also moving the player for the direction that he is looking at.